Blockchain to be a successful Web3 platform, applications must be built on top of them and people must use them. These applications and any partners are going to form a blockchain ecosystem. The blockchain itself being the lower layer, which needs its own infrastructure such as hot nodes, to higher layers such as decentralized finance applications and NFTs or metaverse projects and even social apps. The more players involved in a blockchain ecosystem, the better. It shows growth and adoption and is a good indicator of the likelihood of success from that blockchain. Most blockchains will have a link on their website showing off their ecosystem. And many apps and protocols you're going to find are also cross-chain, which means developers have made the application available across different applications, different layer ones, like the way Microsoft have their Office package available for mobile, desktop, Android, and iOS. We're going to hop into a quick demo now, as I want to show you how you can explore an ecosystem and find out what apps and partners are involved.